Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. Jamaica's under-20 Reggae Boyz are now a point away from securing a place at the Concacaf under-20 Championship following their 2-0 win over Grenada in their Group F qualifying match in St. Kitts on Monday. Nicholas Simmons opened the scoring for the young Reggae Boyz in the 30th minute, before Ronaldo Barrett sealed the win 8 minutes from time with this fantastic 25-yard strike. The result made it 2 wins from 2 at the tournament for the young Jamaicans, who had clipped Martinique 1-0 in their opening match, to now have a sole leadership of the group with 6 points. In the first game of the Group F encounter on Monday, Martinique rebounded from their loss to the Jamaicans to clip Bermuda 2-1. Bermuda and Martinique are locked on 3 points from 2 games. Now, Jamaica will take on Bermuda in their final group encounter on Wednesday. Only the group winner or winners will advance to the final round. Now, Jamaica's Reggae Girls will look to rebound from their heavy opening defeat against Chile when the teams meet on the second of their 2-match friendly series this evening at the Juan Pinto Durant Stadium in Chile. The Jamaican women lost 5-1 to their Chilean counterparts in the first match last week Friday. Chinelu Asha got the consolation goal for the Reggae Girls from the penalty spot in the 77th minute, marking her 7th international goal for Jamaica. Now, Very United have been banned from the remainder of the Jamaica Women's Premier League. The announcement was made in a press release from the JFF on Monday. Very failed to honour their 2 opening fixtures against the Real Mabay and Proven Girls respectively. Now, Article 7.5 of the JWPL regulations state that if a team does not report for a match, except in cases of force majeure recognized by the JFF Competitions and Regulations Committee, or if it refuses to continue to play or leave the stadium or venue before the end of a match, the team shall be considered as having lost the match and 3 points shall be awarded to its opponents with a score of 3-0 or more. With Article 7.6 explaining the guilty team in Article 7.5 shall, as a rule, be excluded from further participation in the competition, so that none of its matches will be deemed valid unless the incidents mentioned in paragraph 5 occurred at its last match. Fair have also been fined $50,000, which is to be paid by March 23 this year. The Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS has delayed announcing its decision on the appeal of suspended West Indies and Jamaica batsman John Campbell for an unprecedented 5th time. Campbell is now set to wait at least another month until March 28 to find out whether his 4-year anti-doping ban will be reduced. The latest delay, which was confirmed on Monday by CAS, was communicated to both Campbell and Jadco's legal teams. The Switzerland-based court had promised to announce its decision last Thursday, February 22. The court initially promised to hand down their decision on August 31, 2023, before delaying it until October 31, 2023, then again on December 19 of the same year, and then January 18 of this year. Campbell's legal team had argued for up to a 3-year reduction based on an overall assessment of the sanction provision and the mitigating factors in the case. The left-handed Jamaican batter has already served 14 months of his 4-year ban. That ban was imposed by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Independent Disciplinary Panel in October 2022 for a charge of evading, refusing, or failing to submit to sample collection. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.